Hi and welcome to the Music Production Handbook. In this short little video about mixing prep, I'm just going to talk about the mixer page and how you can adjust the views and the preferences. This is the standard kind of view that you can see at the moment. We've got the audio device, we've got settings, gain reduction, EQ, input, audio effects, we've got the bus sends, output group, automation. We've also got a track icon, panning, and then we've got our levels and followed by the fader, and then the typical input, record, mute, and solo. If you click on the view, you've got the channel strip components where you can now customize this to show what you need to see. The audio device groups generally tends to, I mean, for me, I use a UA Apollo, so this is sort of null and void for me, so I'm going to get rid of that because it takes up real estate. The settings is for presets, or you might have created your own combinations of channel strip settings that you might want to recall, which is a great way of bringing things up quick. So you can have that selected or not. You've got gain reduction meter, so that will show you very quickly as a visual if you've got a compressor on the channel, if the compressor is working. You've got an EQ thumbnail. You've also got input. Now that obviously that's input for physical channel input or bus input if you've got things routed, and you can adjust that. The other thing that is here, but it's not visible at the moment because I haven't got any MIDI channels available, is MIDI effects. So Logic has got a bunch of MIDI effects which are always useful for creating interesting things like arpeggiator and things like that. So you can that's worth using if you are using audio instruments. Then we've got something else down here called VCA. Now the VCA is a voltage control amplifier, and I'm going to select that so that it's there, but I will explain what VCA does in another video shortly. But for the time being, it's worth starting to get to know what some of these things do and whether you actually need to see them within your workflow. I say, by all means, start playing with these things, customizing them, and say get Logic working for you. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, keep watching, and follow on the Facebook page as well, Music Production Handbook, and there'll be more short little videos to follow. Cheers.